was resting in the moonlight. It's so clear and bright in your eyes. It's so tough of your side. My lips are resting on your shoulder when we're moving so soft and slow. You need the ecstasy, the jealousy, a comedy of love, like Cary Grant and Kelly's wounds before. Give me more tragedy and harmony and fantasy, my dear. Satellite, just starting my satellite. It's a trip in my mind, just set it alight. The sound of your tear makes me feel dear. A wound in my heart, just right from the start. My hands are waiting, your touch and fly. One last goodbye.